Welcome to this technical guide on the Acer N19H2. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Now, if your Acer N19H2 only works when plugged in, you're not alone. This is a common issue that usually stems from a faulty battery or a malfunctioning power connector. If left unaddressed, it can lead to further complications, including permanent damage to your device. Ensuring that you get this fixed promptly can save you both time and money in the long run. For this repair, you'll need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and a replacement battery. Begin by powering down your Acer N19H2 and unplugging it from the mains. Carefully flip the laptop over and locate the screws securing the back panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, gently remove these screws and keep them in a safe place. Next, take your plastic opening tool and carefully insert it into the seam around the back panel. Gradually pry it open, moving around the edges to release all the clips without forcing them, as this could damage the casing. Once the panel is off, you'll see the battery. Check for any visible damage or swelling, which are indicators that it needs replacing. To extract the battery, locate the screws holding it in place and carefully remove them. Remember to disconnect any cables attached to the battery, taking care not to tug too hard to avoid damaging nearby components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. With the old battery removed, take your new replacement battery and position it carefully in place. Secure it with the screws you previously removed and reconnect any cables, ensuring everything is snug and secure. Now, it's time to replace the back panel. Align it carefully and press down gently around the edges until you hear the clips click back into place. Finally, reinsert the screws you took out earlier to secure the back panel. Power on your device to check if everything is working correctly. If your Acer N19H2 now operates without needing to be plugged in, congratulations! You've successfully completed the repair. To prevent this issue from recurring, make sure to regularly calibrate your battery and avoid leaving your laptop plugged in for extended periods when not in use. This will help prolong the life of your battery and keep your device functioning optimally. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.